Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create and apply credit notes in QuickBooks Online. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in QuickBooks, just find a plan that's right for you. And from here, all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions and you are all set. Now, once you are here, creating and applying credit notes in QuickBooks Online International is essential because it will allow you to correct mistakes in invoices such as overcharging a customer or billing for incorrect items. By issuing a credit note, you can adjust the customer's account balance and ensure accurate financial records. Issuing credit notes is a timely manner that demonstrates professionalism and integrity to your customers. It shows that you are willing to rectify any billing errors promptly, which can enhance customer satisfaction and strengthen relationships. Now, for us to be able to apply credit notes here in QuickBooks, we have to ensure that your financial statements is accurately reflected in the adjustments made to customer accounts. For us to be able to do that, just go to the left side panel of your dashboard and click on New. And from here, all we have to do is click on the credit note. Now, once you're here, all you have to do is choose the customer that you want to give credit to. Say, for example, I'm going to be using this one. Now, the email is already here and the billing address and also the credit note date. And from here, you can also manage tags if you wanted. Say, for example, you can create a specific tags for this memo by creating a tag. Just save it and hit on next. Now, from here, you can choose a product. Now, from here, you need to select the products or service that you want to give credit to your customer. Now, if nothing applies here, you might want to click on the Add New. Say for a specific service that you wanted to give credit, and you can name it here. Just leave the SKU for now, and you can choose a category. If it doesn't have one, just click on the and save. All right, you can put another description. And click on save and close. Now you can also specify the quantity and the rate of the amount. Say, for example, you can put like 20, like 1,000 or 100, so it depends on you. And from here, you can also have a short message displayed on the credit note. Also in the statement, it's all up to you. And you can also attach a supplemental file. Remember that the maximum size is going to be 20 MB. Now from here, you can save and send. That's going to be forwarded to the email address. So make sure that the email address is correct because they will receive a notification that you are giving them a credit note, right? But for now, you can just save and close. The next step that we are going to do is, okay, so the next step is just go to You Customers, because we wanted to make sure that the credit note will be applied to this specific customer that you wanted. Now, if you have an open voice here, it will automatically be applied. All right, so you don't have to do anything, because from here, you can simply go back. If it's not appearing, you can just simply go back to the credit note that you have earlier. Now, remember, by creating and applying credit notes in QuickBooks Online is essential for maintaining accurate financial records, because complying with legal requirements, enhancing customer satisfaction, and streamlining accounting processes is very important for managing customer credits and refunds. effectively and ensuring the smooth operation for your business. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.